Hello and welcome to another practical video from BIMLOGIQ Copilot. In this tutorial, we'll see how to read parameter values from an Excel file and apply them to elements in Revit. In this example, we'll read data from the worksheet CX Pilot Mapping. First, we'll identify the column's suggested Revit representation to extract the category values. Then we'll locate the IFC4 entities column to get the corresponding parameter values and write them into a parameter in Revit. Let's get started. We'll be writing these values into the Export to IFC as parameter. But before that, we'll ask BIMLOGIQ Copilot to automatically detect the relevant columns in the Excel file. We do this by writing a simple prompt. This step ensures that we don't have to rely on fixed column positions. Copilot will detect the columns automatically, so even if their order changes in the future, the command will still work properly. Once the columns are correctly identified, we'll ask Copilot to match the categories, read their corresponding values from the IFC4 entities column, and write those values into the Export to IFC as parameter for all Revit elements in the same category. We then write the prompt and wait for Copilot to generate the correct code. Keep in mind that Copilot might ask you some clarifying questions during the process to make sure the task is fully understood. Be sure to answer them carefully. As you can see, the parameter values were successfully read from Excel and written into the Revit elements. Now, we can save this process as a command to make it easily accessible for future use. We'll ask Copilot to save it for us. Once saved, you can find the new command listed in the Commands tab. To test it, let's undo the previous changes and run the command again, but this time using a different Excel file, one that doesn't have the same column structure as before. This helps confirm that the command still works correctly regardless of column order. After filling in the command inputs, simply run it and check the results. This was just one example. You can always modify and customize your own command based on your specific needs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.